Alright, so this is the second time recording this whole thing because, you know what I'm saying, apparently somebody wasn't recording the video. But basically, we at Old Town right now, right? And we had a little cruise. Y'all know Old Town, y'all know everybody got muscle car cruise. We got Mopar, Mustang, everything like that. So what we about to do, we about to do a little video. It's gonna be kind of different. It's gonna be like me rating all the cars, you know what I'm saying? Well, rating some of the cars. I'm not gonna do all the cars. But basically, look, you know Drew Peacock, you know what I'm saying, how he be going to meets, you know what I'm saying, talking about the cars, you know what I'm saying, this and that, oh, this and that, this and that. I don't know much about bills and stuff like that, but I'm gonna try to rate some of the cars. I did see some of the cars are already parked inside the parking lot. And I ain't gonna lie, it was some bullshit sometimes. Like some of them was bullshit. But at the same time, I'm just gonna let them come by, let them cruise by, and I'm like, 1 out of 10. That's a 5. What's going on back there? But not though. So basically, when the cars go by, I'm rating 1 out of 10. If it's 1 out of 10, it's a 0 or an 8 or a 5 or I don't know. But basically, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're about to start at 8:30. It's currently 8:30 right now. Currently 8:30 right now. And I got a notification on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Whoever this is right here, yes. Somebody said, is that the Neckbreaker 2000 model? Yeah, it's the Neckbreaker 2000. My car's a Neckbreaker 2 millions. Come on now. But not though. So basically, yeah. I'm gonna let you know whenever, you know what I'm saying, the cars come out. Like I said, it's gonna be a different video. It ain't gonna be no, you know what I'm saying, crazy stuff. But yeah. I ain't gonna lie, so look, the car's coming out right now. So basically what I'm about to do, I'm about to try to rate the cars. It's good. Look, I try to record it myself. I don't be recording. Go zoom in. I'm about to rate the cars right here. But I'm only gonna do certain ones. I'm not gonna do every single one. Like this right here, I'll rate this, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Actually, to be honest with you, I can't really rate cars because I don't really know, you know what I'm saying? Not by nothing. If it's not Mopar, if it's not Dodge, you know, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I could rate like a Mustang or something like that, but nothing else, you know what I'm saying? Nothing more than that. Okay, I'll get this like a... I can't rate the car for real. I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all the craziest, the nicest cars though, you know what I'm saying? The ones that I see like, look, the ones that I feel like look good. I ain't gonna sit here and record every single thing because my camera might end up dying. I got a lot of carpet out to do for sure, but cool. And they got some nice cars out here too. Oh my gosh. Nah, this right here is for sure. I say I get it like a 9, nah, 10. Which I'm clean. This right here, I can't even rate that. I don't want to rate nothing that got like a whole bunch of, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? A whole bunch of crazy lights on here, you know what I'm saying? I want to rate like, not saying it's not clean, but I'm only going to like really, you know what I'm saying, get the ones that's like, you know, smooth. Not saying it's not clean, not saying it's not smooth, it is smooth, but. Okay, look, I'm saying Hell, nah, this not the Hellcat right here. This not the Hellcat right here, but there's a red Hellcat though, you know what I'm saying, that's on slicks. Oh my gosh, hold up. Oh my gosh. I ain't gonna lie, these Mustangs stepping out. Come on now. Oh my god. These Mustangs stepping out, come on. I need my Dodge guys to step out real quick. You know what I'm saying? Show me something, hold up. 507 hit me? Oh my god. Mustang stepping out. Oh. What was that? But now though, like I said, Mustang stepping out though, you know what I'm saying? Need my Dodge, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Hey look, last time I was in a cruise, I did that, I got kicked out. Oh, cat thing. But yeah, like I said, last time I read my stuff in the cruise, I got kicked out. That's why I'm not cruising right now, to be honest with you. And I don't need to get his content. Okay, Mopar, step out. Come on. Don't let the Mustang show y'all off. Don't let the Mustang show y'all off. Come on now. Okay. Okay. And you know something crazy? There's a lot of older people like driving these cars too. Y'all really don't see older people driving these cars, but like in Old Town, that's where y'all really see the older people, you know what I'm saying, that take care of their thing. Okay. Like I said though, Mopar need to drop because we can't let these, you know what I'm saying, the Mustangs and like the Corvettes and stuff like that, and the Chevy, you know what I'm saying, show us out. You feel me? If they don't do good, I might end up, you know what I'm saying, switching sides. You know what I'm saying? It's like I'm lying. I'm not switching sides, nothing. This right here sounds good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, look, I think this car I said was BS. I think it's coming on right now. I'm gonna show you real quick. Look at this bullshit, bro. We don't claim him. What is the Hellcat I was talking about? But about that, where is that? This clean too. Little clean thing right here. No cap. I ain't gonna lie, my battery is about to die too, so it might be cooked, my guy. I'm saying a little bit of content. I'm saying a little bit, just a little bit. Oh no. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be honest with you. I ain't gonna be, you know what I'm saying, just because I'm a Mopar person. Everybody, you know what I'm saying? Wait up, this not a muscle right here. What is he doing? But look, out of everybody, I feel like out of like every, like, you know, Mopar, you know what I'm saying, Chevy and Mustang, I feel like Mustang for surely doing their thing. I think Chevy died. Cause look at it, like just look at these though. Look. Oh my gosh. I don't know what this is. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't an old school type person. I don't know. I'm confused. But look at it though. The Chevy is, you know what I'm saying, popping out though. You see, like Corvette. You know what I'm saying? Probably another Corvette behind that. My camera not that good, so I can't look. My lens is not that good, so I can't really get, you know what I'm saying, the good zoom in, you feel me? But, you know what I'm saying, still, like I said, they popping out. Like, look, Corvette behind that. So I'm telling you, Chevy, you know what I'm saying, popping out. No cap. Chevy really popping out today. What the heck was that? It's like they got a clown horn. It's like a clown horn. This is tough though, I ain't gonna lie. But nah, see, look, Chevy right there, hold up. Let me zoom in. Chevy right there. Oh my gosh. And then the Mustang behind it, bro. Where's the Mopar? No. Mustang. Look, I'm saying, little Mustang jump. Smooth. What was that? See, I don't know. I think that's a Chevy. See? Vet, you know what I'm saying? Chevy, you know what I'm saying, of course. I don't know what it is. Like I said, I'm not an old school person. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Pontiac or something? I don't know. I'm not really sure. But look, it said, see it. Chevy again. Oh my gosh. But this look good though. I ain't gonna lie. We came in with him. He was in front of me when he came in. And I ain't gonna lie. Still kind of smooth. And it sound good too. Ear sound. Oh my God. Oh no. But now look at this though. I'm all over the place. Look. Oh my God. Oh. Look, I'm on this side. Oh my God. I'm on this side. Oh my. Look at this. What's the? All right, bet. So we back on this side. Look, that was surely wasn't a scat pack. That was for surely an RT, and it had a scat pack logo on there and all type of stuff. Anyway, I ain't hating on nobody deals, but I'm saying you already know what it is. Another bet. See, another bet. Like I'm telling you, these. I think bets take. Oh my gosh. Oh, you don't try. But I think the vets is like taking over. You know what I'm saying? Like the whole thing. Like I feel like. Yeah, that's on top right now, from what I see. But you know what I'm saying, I think they coming in for redemption though, you know what I'm saying? Coming in with, you know what I'm saying, sweet stuff. Okay, Grandpa. Okay. Stop playing. Oh my gosh. You ever try to talk in and your neck get like tight? Try to talk your neck get tight? That's just happening. My jaw hurt. But not though. I forgot what I was about to say. My neck had popped when I was trying to talk. I forgot what I was trying to say. But I think Mopar that's coming up is gonna really redeem, you know what I'm saying, the whole thing. I think they're gonna come back. They're gonna help us come back. But I'm still Team Mopar. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, check out my guy Troy right here. My guy, yes sir. And you know what I'm saying, he just built this joint right here, no cap. So let's see how this joint. Damn, that joint looks too good. Oh my gosh. Oh, Roy 7 Performance, you know what I'm saying, y'all make sure, you know what I'm saying, get that. Oh my gosh. I ain't gonna lie, they look good. But this right here, it's tough. But nah, so look, we back, you know what I'm saying? And look, I ain't gonna lie, I'm on the phone now. I don't know if you can see the quality is different, you know what I'm saying? The quality is way different. So I'm on the phone now, so, you know what I'm saying, yes. The Jeeps just went by. I don't know if I'm gonna put that inside the video, the other part, because, you know what I'm saying, I did kind of mess up, but as you see, it's more, way more Jeeps coming up. So, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I think the, for the, like, I don't even claim these, even though this is a Mopar, I wouldn't even, you know, I'm gonna claim them as a Mopar. I'll say these are making up for, these Jeeps right here are making up for everything, you know what I'm saying, all the Chevys and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying, because I ain't gonna lie, the other stuff was, you know what I'm saying, BS, but like, I ain't tripping by the beach. We gonna come over here because we gonna come see the actual good cars now. Like, not saying they're not good, but we gonna see, you know what I'm saying, the actual, you know what I'm saying, like the, remember I told you, he's drunk loud, huh? Look how backed up it is over here, too. But not over. Like, the Jeep, I'm not trying to say the Jeep's not good, but at the same time, I don't want to see no Jeep right now. I'm trying to see the fast thing, okay, the loud thing. Okay. See, oh my gosh. Look at this right here, though. Oh my gosh. Fat wheels, fat things on here. I don't know what that is, to be honest with you, but nice. I think it's a Chevy, I don't know. Like I said, Chevy, you know what I'm saying, winning this whole thing right now. I ain't gonna lie. Chevy's really winning. The heck, somebody honking the horn? But Chevy's definitely winning, because I ain't gonna lie. They ain't having, like, usually when I come here, they have so much Mopar, but it's like they only got that much Mopar. And I don't know if y'all hear the music too. Oh my God. What's on loud? But look, I don't know if y'all hear the music in the background. Hopefully y'all don't hear the music in the background, because I'm saying I don't want to be copyrighted, but I don't know, I ain't gonna lie. No, they really, you know what I'm saying, the Chevy's really showing out. I feel like the Chevy's winning. Comment down below if y'all think, you know what I'm saying, the Chevy's won this whole thing, if the Mopar or the Mustangs, you know what I'm saying, I don't know, just comment below what y'all think. This right here is crazy. Oh my, chop. Popping popcorn back there. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Yeah, let's see the Mopars now. So like I said, when they started coming up here, I was like, okay, but they probably coming up to redeem, you know what I'm saying, the whole Mopar situation. And this Jeep look, the Jeep is still going. Like I've been turning around for a while, and the Jeep is still out here going. You see, all these Jeeps that are all around here. Like I said, we're not here for the Jeep, we're here for the fast cars. Okay. Like I said, I don't know what this is, because I'm not really an older car type of guy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like I don't know what this is either, but I mean, it's cool. You feel me? It's cool. They're like if that car was on GTA, it sound like it would be the name would be like a Primo. That's what it sounds like the name would be for that car. A Primo. Oh my gosh. He on a trick. It's like he's on with twerk for a minute. I got confused for a minute. Hold up. This car like it was twerk. Oh my gosh. Let's get it. I ain't gonna lie, this song look good though. No cap. No cap. It's good seeing it in person. I be seeing it in Instagram a lot. This right here too. This right here is tough too. But like I said, I'm rooting for my Mopar, and all I'm seeing is, you know what I'm saying. But look, this is the last car, and now it's all Jeep. You see, straight Jeep, right? And then boom, more Jeeps coming in. All it is like a whole bunch of Jeeps left. To be honest with you, and to be honest with you, I ain't here to see no Jeep at all. I don't want to see no Jeep, so I'm out of this. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Look, listen, I'm not saying I can be bored by the Jeep, but at the same time, I'm bored by the Jeep. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to end this off because there's nothing else going on. So, yeah. I'm going to just go back to a lot where the cars is at, all the cars is at, kind of give y'all a little walkthrough with the cars, and then I'm going to end it off there. And I want everybody to comment down below what y'all think, you know what I'm saying? What car y'all think is the best? Like, not specific car. Oh yeah, what car y'all think is the best and what car group y'all think is best? Muscle like Mopar, you know what I'm saying? Mustang or Chevy or the old school. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think, you know what I'm saying, had popped out the most. Popped out the best. Not the most, but the best. You know what I'm saying? The ones y'all feel like, damn, like there's a whole bunch of them, you know what I'm saying? And they can't represent, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? With a nice build, clean build, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Let me know which one y'all think, cause yeah, that's why I want to know. That's the main reason of this video. I want to see what y'all think. So yeah, I'm gonna end this off and then go, y'all go see my next clip. Oh, this little vet left off right here, hold up. Little last vet, that's the last car right here though, but I'm saying, yeah. Let me show y'all in. I ain't gonna lie, I forgot to record this one right here, right? Hold up. I forgot to record this one right here, but this is my favorite Jeep though. This is a Jeep that I'll show y'all right here. Cause look at it, it's like a whole monster truck right here. No cap. Oh my gosh, I love to have this Jeep. And y'all know I love lifted stuff, like lifted trucks, lifted everything, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but other than that, it's cooked. Bye.